Hey, this is Rich from Rich Picks Daily, and Ripple is on full alert. You can see it was at 17 cents December 30th. Today, we see this cryptocurrency flying now at 75 cents, clearly trending up with crazy momentum. Ripple put it on full alert, one of the top cryptocurrencies out there anywhere, absolutely on fire, and you're hearing it here first at Rich Picks Daily. If you guys haven't joined the club, go to richpicksdaily.com, learn to trade, the #1 platform on the planet, teaching people how to trade and win in stocks and cryptocurrencies. Ripple, we've been playing with this since it was at 30 cents. It's now at 75 cents. Congratulations to members, up 26% in the last 24 hours alone. Put it on your watch list, put it on your radar. It's on fire. Your boy Rich from Rich Picks Daily, and I'm out. Peace.